I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my top 10 girly pink products. I literally just filmed a full face using Barbie hot pink products as well on the face, such as this Italia Deluxe blush. We have some of their new Barbie products from the Beauty Creations line, which we'll be talking about in today's video as well. So just a bunch of pink packaged products that I love. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. And also, if you love pink, obviously stick around, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button before you go, and let's get into the video. Go ahead and start off with the first product, which is a lip oil. So this is the Beauty Creations, I think it's just their pH lip oil. Yeah, this is in the shade Lovertini. I do also own an orange one and a purple one, but you guys know, if you know, my favorite color is pink as well as purple, but pink has always been there. You guys know, if you know, you see my background, girl, you see my curtains, you see my, just everything in my room is pink decor, except for my car. I did go with purple, Bratz vibes, but when it comes to my room, everything, I just love pink. We have a pink top on today. We have pink Juicy Couture jewelry. We have pink, you know, nails on, as well as some pink rings on. Just love pink. So this is the one that I reach for the most often because it's more aesthetic. I also do a lot of what's in my purse videos, so I like to carry this in my purse as well. It's also just amazing product to throw on the lips, especially right now that we're in summertime. It's just really nice and juicy. As you can tell, it's like the perfect shade of pink as well. I also love the doe foot applicator. It's actually a really nice product, as you guys know. I've used it a ton of times on my channel. It's a little bit of a tint to it, you know, a little bit of a pink sheen. Nothing crazy. It's not too pigmented. It's not too much. Throw it on your lips. You get a little bit of hydration on the lips as well. So yeah, I just love this product. I've used it a ton of times, which is why it's at #1 in today's video, because it's so cute to look at. Love the packaging, love everything about it, but the actual formula is what keeps me using this product. So yeah, this one's a goodie. What should we tackle next? Let's go on to primer. We have this one, which was sent to me kindly from Maybelline. This is their Maybelline Grippy Serum. It says up to 24-hour wear. It's a makeup grip primer. You guys have seen this in action in other videos as well, and I just love this formula of this product. I love that it comes with a little dropper situation, and once you throw it on, it's very like liquidy, but it also gets the job done. It's like nice and hydrating on the face, but once it's dried down, that's when you get that grippy effect on the skin, which I can appreciate. I hate a product that's like a little too much right off the bat. It's a little too grippy. It's like sticky, it's gloopy, it's everywhere. Doesn't even give you time to move it around, whereas this one does. I love that. I love the formula, love the packaging. Again, the packaging is why we're here today in today's video. It's pink. Love this. If it was a different color, girl, I'd be like, you know, cool, but whatever. I just live for the packaging. I love that it has a dark pink with the light pink product. Everything about this is so cute. Love this. So, and I'm not the only one. A lot of people actually do rave about this product. They love it. I also love that it's nice and liquidy, but again, gives you time to move it around, and then it gives that gripping effect later. So love that about this product. It's so cute. Next product here actually does not come in a pink packaging, which I don't know why they passed that up, because this is a pink highlight, and whether it has a pink packaging or not, I find myself reaching for it all the time. You guys know, if you guys have been here on my channel on this journey with me, I never put this down. I love it. I love it. I love it. Funny enough, when I started my channel, I did not love pink on me. Like any pink shadow, I felt like it looked weird on me. I just was never really into it. A pink highlight would probably, I would feel out of place. So I don't know, over the years, it's just like pink has been my go-to. Pink lips, I would never do pink lips. I was always into very nude shades, very orange shades to complement my skin tone, but pink is just always there, especially when you pair it with a dark brown lip liner. I'm not gonna get into it. You guys know if you know. So the product that I'm talking about today is the SHEGLAM Moonside Highlight, and this one is in the shade Moon Rose. You guys have heard this a dozen times. I use this all the time. I live for the packaging itself. Like, I love that you can see the color through there. You can see the S of the SHEGLAM on there. I need to repurchase this. I also had a bronzer. I think I ended up decluttering because it was just very patchy, but the products in this line are amazing. And again, the shade itself is beautiful. It's like a nice pinky product. It's like a pinky highlight, and I cannot just not reach for it. It's so pretty. It goes with all my looks. I just love this product. As you can tell, like the S has rubbed off. It has a little bit of an indent in there. I reach for it all the time. I love this. So I do need to repurchase. I just wish that it had a pinky packaging. It just give me a little bit more of a pull to it, you know, but I still like how it looks. I like the purple and stuff, but yeah, this is definitely a oldie but goodie. I've talked about it a dozen times. I hate that it doesn't have pink packaging, but the actual product is pink, which is why I felt I can throw it in here, you know. So this one's a goodie. Let's get into cream products. I have a couple of those. We have 2 of the Juicy Couture products here. If you guys know, Burlington did have some new makeup products come out of Juicy Couture. So that included a couple of these creamy products here. Again, I just filmed a full face using Pinky Products Barbie edition. So I did use this here. This is more of a creamy highlight versus this one, which is a stick highlight. So we have this one here first. Love this. This also came in a set with a stick blush. Just have a little bit of foundation on it, girl. I did do a full face using Juicy Couture makeup, so that's where I've been using this. But this is such a beautiful color. Again, it's giving moon rose. It's giving literally the highlight that I just talked about, right? But in a cream version. Love this. It's amazing. Love the packaging. Keeps me coming back to it. Also this, I just love what they did with this packaging. It looks so cute. They could have just done like the Juicy Couture and the gold writing, but they went ahead and added like a little background. It's like a little bow, right? That is so cute. Yeah, so another thing that I love, that this product is not super liquidy. It's actually a cream product. It's like nice and thick, but also the shade, thankfully they're not the same. This one's giving more, I don't know, it's giving more of a glow from within golden look, whereas the other one is very like icy. So I kind of love that they're not the exact same shade, because then like what's the point of collecting them? So if you haven't tried the Juicy Couture cream products, girl, definitely run out to your Burlington. They're so good. Let's get into the cream blushes here. So we have one from Covergirl, and then we have one from Ioni Cosmetics. Again, cream blushes, especially in the summertime, you want something that's nice and glidey and kind of glides on. It's pigmented, easy to blend, opposed to a lot of powders, because it does tend to break up the makeup, especially when it's hot outside. You're gonna be sweating, it's humidity out there, you know, all of that. So these have been my go-to, especially the Covergirl. I feel like I just mentioned it in a video. I don't know if it was like my favorites video or something like that. Been really filming these days, so honestly I don't remember, but this one is a goodie. This is the Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Blush Balm. This one's so good, in the shade Bubblegum Pop. Yeah, I think I mentioned it in a favorites video. It's like really nice and creamy. It's also really easy to blend as well. It's like the perfect pink as well. I just love everything about this. It's so cute, aesthetically cute to look at, also an amazing formula. As well as this one here from Ioni Cosmetics. It's like the same product, I feel. The Ioni Cosmetics Blush Stick in Raspberry. It's just like it makes me happy to look at all these pink products on my table. It's just, how cute are these? It's just giving all the vibes. Okay, this one is literally the same. It's like a stick, but the color, it's definitely more of a dark pink kind of vibe, opposed to the Covergirl, which is giving more bubblegum pink, like the name suggests. But this one is giving more of a hot pink. So I just love both of them. And this one is giving more of a kind of like glossy look to it. It has a little bit more moisture in it, whereas the Covergirl one doesn't. It looks a little more matte once it sets. But you know, both of them are amazing. So if you're on the market for cream blushes, Covergirl and at the Dollar Tree, girl, they have amazing products. Next, let's talk foundation. I have this one on the face today. Actually, I used it in today's video. Again, Barbie makeup, all that stuff that I just said earlier. This is a Prolux matte primer. I always say that. I filmed with this product like 3 times. I did a full face Ioni Cosmetics Dollar Tree products. I did the full face Barbie makeup products, and now we're mentioning it again. And every time I call it a primer. Like, why? This is the Prolux Cosmetics Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade, what are you? In the shade Honey. This actually is a really good shade for me. Since I bought this, I haven't really seen it at the Dollar Tree anymore. Really sad. Hopefully they bring it back. They also did come out with a powder in this collection, and probably some other stuff as well. But this is a product that I keep going back to. I'm just like blown away that it's $125. It's crazy. It's crazy because it's like full coverage. This was literally like a pump and a half on the face and blended out nicely. I'm literally wearing it right now. It's wearing so beautifully. So 125, you can't beat it if you happen to see this. Also, I love that it comes with a pink top. Also, their setting powder comes with a pink top. I just love that. So it's a nice little touch that they did. And again, Prolux, really good. Let's go ahead and talk about Charlotte Tilbury. I talked about this quite a few times this summer, girl. I know, I brought it up. I've used it. Yeah, you guys know, yada yada. But this is so good. And I wanted to mention it because it does have pink on it. And that's the only reason that I purchased it. And I'm really glad that I did because the actual product is good. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Soulmates Face Palette. It has Pillow Talk, it's called Pillow Talk Flawless Pink. And they also do carry this in like a coral shade if you wanted a different blush. So I went ahead and bought this pinky one. It comes with the pink blush and it comes with the powder here. And this is the powder that I've been using on the under eyes, T-zone area this summer, opposed to throwing a bunch of powder on my face. So this is what I've been using. And then the blush is here as well. Also, I think the original way of using it was that you were supposed to mix them. Like first you apply the powder and then the blush on top, or you can do the blush and then the powder on top to kind of diffuse it. Girl, we're not doing that. So I do use this for my under eyes, T-zone area. Nice like lightweight powder. I really love the color. It also does blend out really easily. And then the blush is just the most beautiful thing. You guys know I went on a cruise recently. I took this with me and it was enough. I loved it. Perfect. And it made me fall in love with it even more. So yeah, if you happen to have an extra coin, you want to try it out, definitely do. I love this and I'm glad that I picked it up. Before we get into the duo products, I have to talk about the Colourpop lip gloss line. So they were kind enough to send me their Toy Story collection. They do also carry these type of glosses on their site already, different lines, you know, they kind of just repackage. I'm sure a lot of brands do that. But this here, these glosses, not just the pink one, also the woody one and the buzz one, all of them are amazing. This is called their Colourpop Bo Peep Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Peep This. So it does have Bo Peep on it. Not only do I love the packaging, it's pink, it's girly, has little bows on it, right? But the actual product itself is amazing. It's nice and glossy. I also just love the color. I have mixed it with my brown lip liner. Girl, it is what it is. But it's like the most beautiful. Oh, there's brown mixed in there. You just have to believe me. It literally looks like what it looks like here when you apply it on the lips. It looks amazing. It's nice and pearlescent. It's just beautiful, and it gives you like that extra kick that you want your lips to look nice and glossy and juicy for the summer. It's just perfect. Love this line. Again, all the glosses so far from this line have been amazing, so I've talked about them in other videos as well. So love this. I also love that it looks like a little toy, you know, like it's giving Toy Story. That's so cute. Lastly, let's get into the duo products. And that's just talking about like little lines that Barbie came out with. So they came out with a collection with Patrick Ta. Why did I say that weird? They came out with a collection with Patrick Ta. We have their blush duo here. This is called their Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's a Barbie Doll. So again, loved this line when it came out. I had to drop everything and grab it, especially because it's a hot pink. It's just perfect. I loved it. I saw they come, it's like not too much, it's not too little. It was like the perfect amount of product as well. You get a lip oil and you get the blush. Love this. So first off, you get this here in hot pink. You get a cream blush and you get their powder blush that does have the Barbie head imprint in it, which is amazing. You get a cream blush, which honestly I don't really root for, to be honest, but it is really nice, really pigmented. And then you go in here, you get the blush. They're so pigmented. It's wild. So let's look at those two. Love that. And also a lot of people already rave about Patrick Ta, but girl, they were not kidding. This is amazing. Also, I want to point out that I've used this blush a lot. I love it. I love the hot pink. I have it on the cheeks today. Forgot to mention that. And the head has not like rubbed off. It's not like a easy overspray. It's like really in there. So it's actually lasted a while, and I've used this one a bunch of times. Also in this line, you get a lip oil, which is here. This is called, oh gosh, Major Volume Plumping Gloss in the shade Malibu Dreamhouse. So it has the Patrick Ta logo, and then on the back you get the Barbie logo with the head as well. living for that. Love that the packaging is hot pink and also the product is hot pink. I actually do have this on the lips today. Really nice and glossy. It does have a little bit of a plumping effect to it as well. It's just cute. It's cute. I love it. I love the pink aesthetic to it. I love carrying this in my purse. It's just so cute, especially when you have to like redo your lipstick. You bring this out, you're like, it's just so cute. So love both of these, love this line. And lastly, Beauty Creations also came out with a little line themselves. They came out with an eyeshadow palette. I thought the palette was cute. I did a whole dedicated video to this line, as you guys know, not too long ago. But the products that I used today on the face were their powder. This is called the Future is Bright Loose Setting Powder. Love the packaging. They went with a chrome hot pink background and then the Barbie head. That is so cute. And then the actual product itself is like a light pink powder. I actually did use this on the outer parts of the face, just a little bit just a little bit of a sweep through the face, nothing crazy, because again, it's hot outside, you know, summer, all that. And also their setting spray. This one's a goodie as well. I really love, again, the pink packaging. I love that the Barbie head is at the top. This is called their Beauty Creations Barbie Malibu Way Hydrating Face Mist. It has a really nice mixture to it, and it smells amazing. It literally smells like summer. It smells like watermelon. This is so cute. So again, another great line from Beauty Creations. Patrick Ta, everyone did an amazing job. All these products are amazing. Check them out. Let me know what is your favorite pink product down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.